Hi guys! In my previous video, I showed you how to fix broken Barbie neck. Well, since this doll means so much to me, I couldn't leave her without new outfit. But first, I need to take care of her hair. I start with brushing. I use pet brush because it works well on tangled doll hair. I hold her head so I don't damage the freshly fixed neck, and so less hair is pulled out in the process. Because she has tinsel in her hair, I can't use hair straightener to make her hair smooth and shiny, so I will do boil deeping instead. I keep her in 3 to 5 minutes. After I pull her out, I give her hair an extra brush. Before I move on, I will show you something cool about this Barbie. Her hair actually color change in cold water. Color changing technologies went far since early 90s, but I still think it's very cool. So you can see some strands of blue and pink hair. Originally, she had a lot more of it, so it tells me she lost a lot of her hair in the last 30 years. But let's get to sewing. Here's all the stuff that I used. Since this Barbie is a mermaid, I create a mermaid tail pattern by tracing around her bottom part. Then I trace it on the fabric and do it like so for better fit. Next step, seam allowance. And it's time to cut out the bottom layer of her tail. Quick check to make sure it fits. I traced 2 half circles for her top and marked where the darts are going to be. Next, I trace both of them on fabric and cut out with a seam allowance. Time for some sparkly stuff. This is going to be the top layer of the mermaid's tail. Next, I pin both layers together. I also prepped a long strip of fabric for her top. I sew the darts and make tiny cuts around the top, so it's easier to hem. I also hem the top of the tail and sew the tail darts. I attach Velcro before sewing the tail together. Then I do a quick try on both for the tail and the top parts. Then I sew the top strap and top parts together and attach Velcro in the back. I cut about 13 inches of sparkly fabric for the tail. After gathering the fabric, it should only be about 3.5 inches. I attach tail parts face together. Then it's time to sew the tail together. I cut out triangles to make it look like a fin. A mermaid needs to have a beautiful necklace. I'm going to give her her original hairstyle, so I brush her hair and put in a little rubber band. And here she is, ready to join my other dolls on the shelf. Isn't she lovely? Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.